Today, let's take a look at just how impressive this next-generation aluminum nitride vacuum sintering equipment is. It was actually ordered by a customer right on the exhibition floor. As is well known, vacuum sintering is the core process in the fabrication of aluminum nitride ceramics, directly determining the density and mechanical properties of the ceramic products. First, the equipment features a working chamber size of 600 by 600 by 1,500 mm, a maximum load capacity of 800 kg, and a maximum operating temperature of 2050 degrees Celsius. It is capable of meeting the demands of large-scale production of high-performance ceramics. Precise temperature control. Utilizing advanced heat flux field coupling optimization technology, temperature uniformity is maintained within plus or minus 3 degrees Celsius. This ensures an extremely uniform temperature distribution throughout the entire working chamber, thereby guaranteeing consistent performance of ceramic products. Energy efficiency. By combining DC heating with new heat-conducting materials and an insulated structure, the system achieves high-precision matching between power and temperature, resulting in an overall energy efficiency improvement of over 10%. Cost-effectiveness. This equipment is not only suitable for vacuum and atmosphere sintering of AlN/AlN ceramic products but also supports the synthesis and sintering of AlN/AlN powders, enabling a single furnace to serve multiple purposes.